welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa, and today I decided, why not do something with natural hair. It's winter. Well, for most of us it's winter. I know in a lot of places it's not, but right now my hair has been suffering. Okay, it's been hard with the winter, and you just want to have cute protective styles instead of always doing the same things. So I came up with this high bun. Everyone has been doing it, but I decided to kind of put my own twist to it. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you guys recreate this at home. If you do, let me know as always. So yeah, let's get into the video. And before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below right there. And yeah, we hope to see you guys in our next video. Okay guys, so for this look you'll need a spray bottle. Mine just has water in it, an elastic band, of course a smoothing brush or bristle brush, I don't know how you call it, an edge control and gel. I have the Moco the Gorillaz and the Organic Root Stimulator, and then of course I got some packs of deep wave crochet braids. I got 2 of them. So next I'm just going to use this black castor oil to put on the tips of my fingers so that I can unravel my braids. My hair is freshly washed and I did already moisturize it coming out of the shower, so that's done. It's moisturized, it has all the leave-in, conditioner and everything. So I'm just going to unravel these braids. So I forgot to mention, you'll also need a crochet braid tool and just like 1 or 2 bobby pins. So now I'm just shaking my hair, making sure that like the lines aren't seen basically. So now taking that spray bottle, I'm just going to spray like my roots, only lightly guys. I don't want my hair to revert back too much, so I'm just going to spray that on my roots. Next I'm going to take that Gorillaz Snot and just evenly distribute it around the perimeter of my hair, mostly focusing on my roots. And then I'm gonna take that bristle brush and just start smoothing my hair. It doesn't have to be too perfect yet, but you want to try and kind of pave the way to how you want your hair to look. So try as much as possible to smooth it. And then once I've gone around the perimeter of my hair, now I'm gonna start smoothing it and grabbing the hair to kind of make it into a high bun. So I'm trying as much as possible to keep my hair smooth, and I'm just going to tie it loosely for now. Well, kind of tight but kind of loose, and we'll just fix that front a little more. So next I'm going to take my edge control and I'm going to put that starting on my edges, and I'm even going to distribute that more throughout my hair. And with the bristle brush I'm gonna go ahead and smooth that into my hair, and this is just gonna help my hair lay down more smoothly, because sometimes the Gorillaz Knot, I feel like it's not strong enough, or it doesn't give me the smoothness I need. So then now I'm just going to do the same thing. I remove the hair tie and I'm just going to redo that bun basically. You back it up the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you. So once that bun is really tight, what I'm gonna do with my hair, I'm just going to braid it, and I'm gonna try and braid it as tight as possible, because that is what we're gonna use to basically attach the crochet hair in. Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow.
Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say
So using that little crochet tool, I don't know what it's called, and using the hair, I'm just going to go ahead and put that tool through one of the holes and basically put the crochet hair in that tool and loop it through that hole, and which is what you see me do now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hair, put it through the loop, and then do kind of like a double knot. So I'm gonna twist the hair once again and then put it back through the loop so that it's tight, you know, and it doesn't fall. Don't worry if you didn't get it, you'll see me do it multiple times. But I'm just basically going to do that and kind of put it wherever I feel fit. So I was struggling at the beginning, guys, with this because this is my first time trying this, but I'm actually glad and happy of the results. So stay with me. It's really easy. It's not that hard. Also, guys, you see me here in the first few clips. I'm kind of pulling the hair once the knots are done, but near the end, you know, I was kind of trying some things, and it's better, like you saw me do here, to kind of hold the hair in place while you pull it. Like that, the hair doesn't slide down, because the hair kind of started sliding down and all concentrating on the bottom of my ponytail. But if you want it to evenly distribute throughout the hair, it's best to do that. So yeah, I was just trying a few things, and now I'm closer to the top. I did use both packs because I wanted the hair to kind of be thick, but yeah, I like the results and it worked very well.
the way you back it up, the way you busting at the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah.
Okay, so to disguise that elastic band, I'm basically going to take some hair from the back and just loop it through the front and pin it. But I'm going to leave a bit of hair at the top so that it kind of also hides the top part if there's some of my hair that is still sticking out. And yeah, I'm just going to pin it with a bobby pin.
This one will be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow.
So now I'm just fixing some of the hairs in the front.
Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all.
So now using my little toothbrush, don't come for my toothbrush, okay? I know it's kind of broken, but it still does the job. So I'm just going to lay my edges to my liking. I'm first just kind of using water because my toothbrush is wet, and then I'm going to apply the edge control. And to make sure all of my hair is laid, I'm going to tie it with this headband or scarf.
Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial because I really like how my hair turned out. I'm definitely going to be rocking this for the next week or so, you know. If you guys want more hair tutorials, just comment it down below because I know lately we haven't been doing a lot of them. But yeah, comment it down below and we'll definitely come to you guys with more hair tutorials or natural hair videos in general. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and yeah, we'll see you in our next video, guys. Bye.
What else? Your body will kill me. Up in the palm bed. Ram town. Now. 1, 2, 7, 1.